Do you need help? You just walking. Boom. Oh, careful. No, you're good at backing up too. Yeah, Mommy took the batteries out because it was going in the middle of the night.
So eating can be pretty messy business for an African wild dog or a lion.
Yeah, who crawls anymore? Come on.
When I have a peanut butter and jelly sandwich, I like a lot of jelly on my sandwich. Whoa, too much. I like a lot of peanut butter on my sandwich. Maybe not that much. When you're really hungry, you can get carried away. This bird monkey slurping greasy fruit.
Does he want to watch Baby Einstein?
I always put too much jelly on my sandwich. Well, I feel better in my feeling. This morning.
Cody, come to Mama. Why don't you come to Mommy? Can you come to Mommy? Oh, yeah. Can you come to Mommy? No? You're getting so good at it. Okay. It's a Barbie car! Just what you need.
So, they get clean by first getting messy. It might look like this ride is getting messy because she is, but actually,
are you giving up?
Cool. It stops insects from biting her. Some having lunch in Africa. I do.